Good afternoon. My name is Lina Llamas. At an elevation of 29,028 feet, 8,848 meters above sea level, Mount Everest is the world's tallest mountain. Most Everest is relatively young, having been found only 60 billion years ago, and it is still glowing and 3 million years old. Mount Everest is in the mountains beyond the Himalayas. The summit ridge of Mount Everest separates Nepal and Tibet. Its place has a spell name for these giant mountains. The Napoli's name is Sagarmatha, which means garden and the sky. The Liberi's name is Communal, which means mother garden of the universe. Of desert job ever. The first person to record the height and location of the mountain. I climbed to the summit was attempted by George Murray in 1922, justifying his reason wanting to climb Everest as because it's there. He wanted to read the event in the company on the event in 1924, but on the team won't declare the spirit. The first accent and the same on most the Everest was accompanied by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tyson Norgay on 29, 1953. The first sent by Javelin was on May 16, 1975 by numbers from Japan. By 1927, 2,000 people has climbed Mount Everest. Some modern one since the freezing in the 1953. More than 600 climbed from 20 different countries has reached the summit. However, over 100 climbed at the day and 22 climbs Mount Everest. More commonly from advanced bookers from France includes course of rice at least hit excellences.